Hey everyone, CNGT Bone, back with another Farming Friends video. This one's going to be about sheep and the t-shirt factory. So, what's another license you can unlock? Oh, where is it? Chocolate milk, by the way, was there. That was the last video. They're in here. You'll find them. Sheep. Unlock sheep. Then the next phase is t-shirt factory. And the sheep can be upgraded to give you more wool. By default, they all give you one wool every time you shear them, but after you upgrade them, the chances increase. Getting 2 wools per sheep will increase. And then you get all 5 of these, every sheep give you, all the sheep will give you, will give you 2 apiece. So, let's show you how it all works. I got some strategy in this one. You can run all over the place and click shear. All you need is a fenced in area, and you need to have big food boxes. Like these are for cows and sheep, and then the little ones are for chickens. And you can click on them, you can pet them, you can name them, you can herd them, but when you get near them, you'll see a button to shear. And this is okay, but then you're running all over the place collecting the wool. And what you end up getting with sheep, when you get this factory, when you get sheep, you unlock this. This is a little spindle kind of a thing. You find this in the animal care spindle machine. And the t-shirt factory is that separate unlockable in the category with all the buildings. So buildings. All the main buildings that are factories are in this row actually. If I didn't say so, that's where you'll find them. Chocolate milk and bees and everything. So after you make these, you can pick up these bundles of wool, and these bundles of wool are only, you can carry 2. They get deposited here. And then the t-shirt factory runs, and all these little machines, it washes it, squishes it, sews, makes the shirt, then they slide down the thing, go in boxes, and you have t-shirt boxes on pallets. And I have a couple. And then you forklift it onto a truck and sell it. So what I like to do, I put a small fenced-in area in here, and I'm not going to select them all, but I'm just going to demonstrate. You select a couple sheep. I have a big gate and a small gate, and I herd them over here so that I can clip them in one spot. And then when I'm done, I just leave the gates open, and they eventually want food, so they leave and they let themselves back out. So I just stand here and I just spam my shear button on my controller, or whatever button it is for you. Sometimes you miss them, but then they all go in here and I get a big old pile of wool. I can pick them up and deposit. Now I have this over here deliberately because wool, when you have a company, wool is also something you sell, and it's the wool and not the wool bundles. So here is some bonus information if you made it this far. I come in here and I switch this to loading dock, and I have on this layout single boxes of random seeds I don't use. This is a tree farm, I'll show that in another video. I hook up my flatbed semi-truck, and you go on this side. I just load up these single boxes of random seeds that I don't use and just leave them. Just whatever. You just recycle them. leave them on there. I don't take them off. We don't need to, because once you put them back in, it separates. It'll separate the wool from the seed that it is on, and I just drop them on here. Pick up the wool, put it on here. You can fill this up. There's 3 wool high. What I mean by that is, see how there's 2. You can put 1 more wool on top of it, and it'll be full. Just like boxes, 3 boxes high, 27 on a pallet. Then I take my forklift, and when I put it in the green on the pallet building, it'll just be stored in here. I have lots of pallets of wool ready. So what the nice thing is I can click on this and I can queue up as many as I want. And then I just say go, and if it's in loading dock mode, I can drive the semi truck up here, load up 5, go downtown, sell it, come back, and I just drive up here again, and it keeps exporting them until it is done. With, like, if I did 10, for example, it'd keep going till 10 are done. It's like a drive-through. You just drive back and forth, you can sell the wool. So that's my bonus information on how to efficiently, you can collect it however you want, but at the end of the day, I'm hauling it on pallets. That's the most I can carry. You can put them directly on this truck too, or in the back of your pickup trucks. But that is sheep and the t-shirt factory. Not too much to see in the t-shirt factory though. You just take these, you just run it. Do the little machine, run it, take your pallets, stick them on a truck and go with the forklift. So, well, if you like the video, you know what to do, and I will see you guys in the next one.